Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We are just taking this 2017 310 SLX on trade. Has a nice anchor storage up front, a freshwater washdown, LED lights, cup holders on either side. All these are storage throughout, all around. This boat does have twin 300 Mercury Verados with approximately 355 hours. We added a Garmin GPS depth finder along with the other electronics that come standard on the boat. It does have joystick with skyhook and autopilot, automatic trim tabs, nice head area, vacuum flush toilet. The seat swivels around to face aft to the table. It's a nice dining area, a nice separate area from the bow. There's storage throughout all around the seating. Have a nice refrigerator under here. Sink, freshwater washdown. Also, this entire hatch compartment lifts up. It gives you access to the bilge of the boat. Have a freshwater washdown here, a battery charger. Then this whole aft section opens up. These seats lean back. The boat does have the dive ladder off to the side. The sunroof, nice hard top. So give us a call on this 2017 310 SLX Outboard. It's Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We'd be glad to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you very much.